The Sleepy Dragon and the Midnight Stars. High up in the misty mountains lived Luna, a sleepy dragon who loved nothing more than to nap under the stars. Luna wasn't like other dragons. Instead of breathing fire and flying around causing a ruckus, she spent her nights dreaming in the soft glow of the moon, her shimmering scales reflecting the night sky. Every evening, Luna would climb to the highest peak, curl up on a large, smooth rock, and gaze at the twinkling stars before drifting off to sleep. The stars were her friends, always watching over her and whispering soft, sleepy songs to help her rest. But one night, something strange happened. Luna climbed to her favorite spot, curled up as usual, but when she looked up at the sky, the stars were gone. The night was dark and empty, and Luna's heart sank. "Where are my stars?" Luna wondered, her eyes wide with worry. She waited and waited, hoping the stars would return, but the sky remained dark. Without the stars, Luna couldn't fall asleep. She tossed and turned, feeling restless and uneasy. Determined to find out what had happened to her beloved stars, Luna stood up, stretched her wings, and decided to search for them. She flew high above the mountains, her wings cutting through the cool night air. Below her, the forests and rivers were quiet, but above, the sky was dark and starless. As she soared through the clouds, Luna spotted a tiny, flickering light far in the distance. It was faint, but it gave her hope. She flapped her wings harder, heading toward the light. After flying for what felt like hours, Luna landed in a beautiful, glowing meadow. The light was coming from a small group of fireflies, all buzzing around a patch of flowers. Luna looked up, but the sky above the meadow was still dark. "Have you seen the stars?" Luna asked the fireflies, her voice gentle. The fireflies blinked and hovered around her. "We haven't seen them," they buzzed. "But we've heard that the stars were stolen by the mischievous wind spirits. They love to play tricks, and we think they've hidden the stars somewhere far away." Luna's eyes widened. "The wind spirits? Where can I find them?" The fireflies pointed their tiny lights toward a distant mountain range. "They live in the Valley of Whispers, where the wind never stops blowing. Be careful, Luna. They're tricky and fast." Luna thanked the fireflies and set off for the Valley of Whispers, determined to bring back the stars. When Luna arrived at the valley, she could feel the wind tugging at her wings, swirling around her like playful hands. The valley was full of swirling breezes and gusts, all laughing and whispering as they danced through the air. "Wind spirits," Luna called out, her voice strong but kind. "I know you've taken the stars, and I've come to ask for them back." The wind howled in response, and soon, 3 small, mischievous wind spirits appeared, swirling around Luna in circles. They had tiny, sparkling eyes and bodies made of wind and light. "We took the stars because we were bored," one of the wind spirits said, giggling. "They were just sitting there in the sky, twinkling. So we decided to hide them for a while." "Please," Luna said softly. "I need the stars to fall asleep. They help me dream. Will you return them?" The wind spirits looked at each other, and then back at Luna. "We'll give the stars back," one said, "but only if you can catch us." Before Luna could respond, the wind spirits zoomed off into the sky, laughing and swirling through the air. Luna knew she had to be clever. She spread her wings and took off, chasing after the fast, playful spirits. The wind spirits darted and dashed, leading Luna through the clouds and across the night sky. They were quick, but Luna was determined. She followed their trails, watching for the patterns they made in the wind. Then Luna had an idea. She stopped chasing the wind spirits directly and instead used the wind currents to her advantage. She soared high above them, riding the breeze, and waited for just the right moment. When the wind spirits swooped low, laughing at their game, Luna folded her wings and dove down, catching the wind spirits in a swirling gust. They squealed in surprise, their laughter filling the sky. "You caught us," they cried, spinning around her in circles. Luna smiled softly. "Now, will you return the stars?" The wind spirits nodded, impressed by Luna's cleverness. With a flick of their tiny hands, they opened their sparkling bags and released the stars. One by one, the stars floated back into the sky, lighting up the night with their soft, magical glow. Luna's heart swelled with joy as she watched the stars return to their rightful places, twinkling happily above her. "Thank you," Luna said to the wind spirits, her voice full of gratitude. The wind spirits giggled and swirled around her one last time. "You're welcome, Luna. You're a clever dragon. Sleep well." With the stars back in the sky, Luna returned to her favorite rock on the mountain peak. She curled up, gazing up at the twinkling stars, her heart at peace. The stars sang their familiar, soothing lullaby, and Luna closed her eyes, drifting off to sleep with a soft smile. From that night on, Luna knew that no matter what happened, the stars would always guide her dreams. And the wind spirits, though mischievous, had become her friends, watching over her as she slept beneath the starry sky.